There's a simple truth every successful person knows. No one is coming to do your work for you. If you want to achieve something great, you must have discipline towards your own work. You won't always feel motivated. You won't always feel ready. But your dreams don't run on your mood. They run on your actions. Discipline means showing up, even when you don't feel like it. You won't always feel motivated. You won't always feel ready. But your dreams don't run on your mood. They run on your actions. Discipline means showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Think about J.K. Rowling. She wrote Harry Potter while working full-time, raising her child, and struggling with financial problems. Yet every day, she showed up for her work. Or Thomas Edison. He failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. But he went back to his lab every single day, with discipline. Winners are not the ones who work only when it's easy. Winners are the ones who work when it's boring, exhausting, unclear. They build their dreams one disciplined day at a time. For the next 30 days, treat your work like it's sacred. Every single day, show up, no distractions, no excuses. Because when you work, you're not just building projects. You're building yourself. Everyone wants success, but very few are ready to build the one thing that guarantees it. Discipline. Discipline is not a gift you are born with. It's a skill you build, and you can start building it today. In just 30 days, you can transform your life. But here's the truth. It's not magic. It's small, tough decisions made. Again. And again. And again. Look at Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Every morning at 4 a.m., he's already grinding, already putting in the work. Not because he feels like it, but because discipline built his dreams. Or think about Serena Williams. Thousands of early mornings, endless hours of practice. Not motivation, discipline. 30 days, that's all it takes to rewire your mind. 30 days of choosing action over excuses. 30 days of showing up for yourself, even when no one is watching. Day 1 to 10, show up, no matter how you feel. Work at the same time every day. Days 11 to 20, raise the bar. Remove distractions for at least 1 hour a day. Days 21 to 30, dominate. Push through resistance. Build unstoppable momentum. 1. Start with one task. Pick one thing you will do every day. Write it down. Commit. 2. Set a daily alarm. Have a fixed time. When it rings, it's time to act. No thinking, just doing. 3. Track. Every day. Use a notebook. Checkmark every day you win. Watch your chain grow. Break it, and the chain resets. 4. Forgive but don't excuse. You're human. If you slip, don't quit. Restart stronger the next day. 5. Visualize the future. You. Every morning, imagine the disciplined, powerful version of yourself. Feel it. Become it. If you respect your work with discipline, your work will reward you with success. 1 hour of disciplined work today can create a lifetime of pride tomorrow. So show up, do the work, build your future. Because discipline isn't punishment. It's freedom. Freedom to live the life you dream of. Because you earned it. In 30 days, you won't just have more discipline. You'll have more confidence, more strength, more respect for yourself. Because discipline is not about being perfect. It's about being committed. 30 days. One decision every day. That's it. Are you ready to meet the strongest version of yourself?